I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of scuffs on your shoes. All you're going to need is some rubbing alcohol and cotton rounds. Disclaimer, do not use this on white paint or anything like that. This is purely for the sides of the midsoles. Yuck. And the last one, let's see. Oh my goodness, that scuff has been there for literally years. Alright, here's 5 of the best Supreme accessories, part 1. First, we got the Supreme Director's Chair. Next up, I got the Supreme Step Stool. Then right here, we have the Supreme B&O Speaker. The Supreme Toolbox. And the last item is a Supreme Portable Charger. Like this video for part 2. I'm going to show you guys 2 pointless things that I own. This is a Supreme padlock that came out in 2007. If you don't know the code, you could use the Supreme bolt cutters to get them open, but I don't know if I'd want to do that because this is $350. Make sure you guys leave a like for part number 7. You guys really wanted to see episode 2 of Supreme accessories that look expensive but are cheap. Here we go. Not all Supreme's expensive. These incense matches right here were like one of the worst things that have ever came out, and they went for like 10 bucks. And these are real fishing lures. Right here we have a stamp that says that, so mine's dead though. This tape measure though is pretty cool. Goes for like maybe 45 bucks. And last but not least, a really vulgar voodoo doll. Leave a like for episode 3, and that still really hurts. I've been waiting to address this one for a long time. I started my YouTube journey back in 2009. From these super random videos to Lego animation. Growing up, I asked for a camera, and this is my first camera. Going into middle school, my hobbies changed. I started making sneaker customization videos. I made a ton of money customizing sneakers. So eventually I started buying them to resell. I used YouTube to advertise my reselling business. There's a ton of ways to make money on YouTube. Of course, the ad rev. And in 2017, my channel boomed. I invested a ton of my money as a 17-year-old. My sponsors, I have sponsors on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and of course my own merch, which I've been making for years. If you set goals and accomplish them, you can do it, just like how I wanted to become a YouTuber. Save this quote and share it with your friends. And thank you to everybody that's shown me so much love and support over these years. I'm going to show you guys the best Supreme accessories for the beach. First one is a frisbee. Second one is a hat. The Supreme shovel. A storage case. Booty girl beach towel. A fan. And a packable tote to put all of the items in. Here's some art that I have in my apartment. These are Supreme boards in a custom piece. My filming backdrop. My YouTube buttons. Shout out to Hidden Leaf Village. Squidward tentacles. And some places I've traveled to. Like for part 2. Alright y'all, look what we just got in today. Brand new release. Right here, we have the Off-White Air Jordan 4. How cool is this wrapping? Legit from SneakerCon. Air. Translucent back. These are sick. And they're a women's colorway. Make sure you size up. Using Supreme items in real life, episode 1. This right here is the Supreme collapsible shovel. Leave a like for part 2 and the next item. This is using Supreme items at the beach. Leave a like for part 2. Alright guys, I'm going to show you some of the best Supreme accessories. First, we have a Supreme Louis Vuitton chain wallet. This is sick. One of my favorite accessories, the Supreme Dominoes. Damn it. And then right here we have the Supreme Everlast boxing robe. And then lastly, gold Supreme playing cards. Alright guys, so basically I'm going to give you a walking tutorial on how to not crease your shoes. So I got these really nice ass shoes here, and basically, you know what? Fuck it. Just don't walk. I'm going to show y'all how to properly fold your pants into a drawer. Fold your pants at the top, and guys, just roll it. You can fit so many pairs of pants within one drawer by doing this method. I just want to say, it's my motherfucking birthday! If you put your mind to anything, you can accomplish it. Just work at it, alright? I'm 20 years old, it's my 20th birthday today, and I just wanted to tell the TikTok squad, let's get lit!
I want it. I got it. I want it. I got it. I want it. I got it. I want it. I got it.
So inside this package, there's some really cool new technology I want to share with you. Right here, we have the Off-White Volts. Because I bought them from the SneakerCon app, I can scan it on my phone and tell that they're legit right away. Look at that. And SneakerCon's having a 0% sale, so I'd check it out if I was you. Check it out.
I want it. I got it. I want it. I got it. I want it. I got it. I want it. I got it.
Guys, you're not gonna believe the pair we just got in today. Right here, we have one of the most arguably hyped sneakers of 2020, the Air Jordan 1 Dior. Do you guys think these are worth, what, $12,000 is the price tag? I don't know if I can do that for a shoe. They come with extra insoles and silver tags. Y'all already know, got them legit checked too from the SneakerCon app. Probably the best release of the year. And they're only limited to 8,500 pairs. Tell them where we at, Leo.
So we're at my favorite stadium here. We're at Big Bitches and Titties Ballpark.
So y'all knew that one kid who grew up playing Pokemon? I never grew up.
I want it. I got it. I want it. I got it. I want it. I got it. I want it. I got it.
Young turn nigga from the D to the A. I'm rocking with the Lions.
Yeah, I'm rocking with the Braves. Yeah, we pay.
I'm going to show you guys how to wash sneakers in your dishwasher. Put them top up on the rack, throw it in, high heat setting, and let's see what happens. The reveal, they look so much better. Alright guys, here's top 5 best summer sneakers.
왜들 그리 다운돼 있어 뭐가 문제야 say something 분위기가 겁나 싸해 요새 이런 게 유행인가 왜들 그리 재미없어 아 그건 나도 마찬가지
Leave a like for part 2.
Bitch, I got it off the muscle. You wanna fight on tussle? I'm talking about
I'm going to show you one of the rarest shoes in the world. Right here we have the 2011 Nike Mag. I keep it in a glass case. This is the magnetic box for it. The lights used to turn on, but mine are broken. The official authentication card. And my pair is 448 of 1,500. Leave a like to see more of my rare sneakers. I'm about to move out of my apartment. I need to sell some sneakers. Let's see what I'm going to sell. Not my style. Not my size. They're brand new and I can make some money. Serious question. Would anybody wear these? I'll be using SneakerCon. It's got me thinking, should I sell anything else around my room?